Hello, welcome to today's video. We're going to be using this Karcher K5 to clean down the patio and then apply sealant. So first things first, I'm going to scrape out all these weeds that have grown into these joints and then give it a good blast with the jet washer. Okay, so what I need to be careful is that I don't jet wash out the joints. They are the most delicate part of the patio, so just be careful if you do this yourself. Some of the stains won't actually come off from where the ladies had some plant pots and stuff, so that can be the problem with having natural stones, but that's why we're going to seal it after it's had a good clean. Okay, so now I've just got to repair some of the joints where the weeds had grown through and damaged some of the joints. So after this is done, I'm going to give it a good sweep off and then come back on a drier day to seal it. Okay, so I'm back a few days later, once the sun had been out for a day or so. It's best to do this when the weather's dry, especially for 24 hours after applying. So we're just going to use this path and patio seal I brought one of these little spray bottles as well because it's better to apply it on an even scale when spraying it. It does take me a while to figure out how to get it to spray without me keep pumping it. I've laid many patios over the years, but this is the first one I've ever sealed. Usually I leave it to the customer, so all a bit of a learning curve. Just spraying it on like that evenly and then rolling it. Yes, that is a broom handle attached to a paint roller. So first coat nearly done, and then as I head round the front I give it a second coat once this is dried. So by the time I've been round, it'd given it good half an hour to dry off, and then it's best to apply 2 coats according to the instructions, so that's what I did. Okay, so that's all done. Quick before and after shot. Let me know what you think in the comments. Make sure you like the video and join me next time for Craig in the garden. Cheers.